In the 22 years of being in practice, I never thought I would say this, but I had a new patient who referred her husband, who happens to be a general practitioner. He's a medical doctor. And he said, there's no way I'll ever go to a chiropractor. So anyway, fast forward, she talked him into it. He came in for his first adjustment. I saw her today and I said, how did it go for him? And she said, oh my gosh, he absolutely loved it. So he's coming back in today. So now I'm medical doctor approved. So there you have it. You haven't been checked yet. Come see me, drbchiropractor.com. Make it a great day.